We have just acquired this absolutely stunning Mazda CX-5 diesel Sky Active technology sport. It's top of the range, fully loaded and in stunning condition with a full service history. Boot immaculate. A spare wheel with this as well, it's a rare thing these days. Park distance control with a rear camera. It's got the full leather interior, electric seats, satellite navigation, that's also rare on a Mazda, lane assist, RVM, cruise control, Bluetooth, automatic, heated seats, climate control, USB, aux. Absolutely lovely car. It drives superb. If you're requiring information, please give us a call. Oh, keyless entry and keyless start as well. You press that to get in and out. So just put the key in your pocket. Okay, sorry. If you require any further information, oh sorry again, it's front park distance control as well. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. There's probably a lot of options I've missed off this car, but I just keep finding those wheels, they're upgraded as well. So yeah, again, if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.